In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite crashing on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase an alternative method that you have to follow through the Epic Games website. So instead of doing this process on your actual console or inside of the game, go over to a web browser on your computer or your phone and visit the Epic Games website at store.epicgames.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to browse through all of the games available in here, but instead what you want to do is hover over your icon, which is the account that you use to play Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. So hover over the icon, go over to account from the drop-down menu that appears, and in here you will be redirected to this page. Now go over to apps and accounts, and now switch over to accounts. As you can see here, this is where you can manage all of the connections made to your Epic Games account. This page is important because the PlayStation Network link that we have is listed here. So usually, if you keep crashing and you notice that it is only happening in your PlayStation 5, besides hardware problems such as your PlayStation 5 overheating or the fact that it needs a thorough cleaning, which has to be done when you take it to a repair shop, the issue could also be attributed to issues like this where the account connected is experiencing problems. So a way to fix this, and the one that I wanted to showcase in this video, is removing the PlayStation Network account from this account. So you will be able to take all of these boxes and remove the account. Afterwards, the connect button is going to become available instead. And if you click connect, you will be redirected to another page where you can manage the connections established to Epic Games and relink the PlayStation Network account that you use. It is a simple fix, but by doing this, you are going to double check and verify that the link was established properly, and afterwards you can try opening the game again with the same PlayStation Network account that you used to play Fortnite. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite crashing on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.